I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV supports HDMI ARC/eARC or optical output. This matters because the signal path determines the syncing method. Next, mount your RGB strips and place the controller near the TV. Connect power and route wires cleanly so sensors have clear line of sight. Once done, plug a capture device or ambient light sensor into HDMI/USB per your sync system instructions. Make sure to enable any TV audio output settings and disable picture modes that alter color profiling. Now you configure the software that maps screen content to LEDs. You install the vendor app or a third-party program and pair it with the controller. Follow on-screen pairing steps. Then run calibration, define sampling zones, set sensitivity and color temperature, and choose latency vs accuracy trade-offs. Also check capture settings on the frame grabber, match TV resolution and refresh rate, enable HDR pass-through if available, and reduce processing delays. This reduces color lag and ensures the LEDs mirror the dominant. Finish by testing across content types so you confirm consistent behavior. Play dark scenes and bright action to see how strips respond. You should then tweak intensity, smoothing, and delay to make colors blend without trailing or flicker. If things go wrong, first verify all cables, input selections, and firmware are up to date. Then disable TV motion processing and any dynamic contrast features that alter frames. If a single input lags, try a different HDMI port or lower resolution to isolate the bottleneck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.